Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to disable Microsoft Family features. So to do that, let me tell you this is a informative video. So let me show you how to do it. So there is a step-by-step guide to turn off Microsoft Family features. So to do that, there is a 3-step guide. First step is you have to go to your settings and click the start button and select the gear icon or press Windows key +1. Once you're done, just click accounts in the settings menu and this will lead you to account settings. And in accounts, select on family and other users. Find in the Microsoft Family Features option and click remove or disable to turn it off. And for additional control, you can also try the tips like customize account privacy settings, talk with family members, and look for other software or apps. So yeah, this is how you can just disable your Microsoft Family features. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.